Okay, so to begin, you're going to need, of course, a headband. I bought one from the Dollar Tree. It's already covered in a ribbon, but you can also cover your own headbands in ribbon. You'll need some pipe cleaners. You, of course, will need some pom-poms. Um, I like to do a large for the body, mediums for the head, and then for their little kitty face, some smaller ones. Um, some sequins for the buttholes, and also some crafting foam. And wire cutters would be great for cutting the pipe cleaner, scissors for cutting the crafting foam, a glue gun, and I also have some gel super glue for trying to attach the smaller bits. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started with making the cat bodies.
So first you want to cut the pipe cleaner because this is going to be the tail of the cat. And so you'll just make it the length that you wish to have. Remember to also curl the pipe cleaner because the kitties will have a curly tail, so just leave enough space for that. For the noses, I also used pipe cleaner and I just kind of made like a T shape from it to give them that cute little triangular nose that cats have. And again, if you're going to go ahead and curl the tails, you can use a paintbrush or a pen or something cylinder to help you with getting that curl in the tail. Next, you'll want to start assembling the body with your glue gun. So you'll glue the head onto the base and exercise some caution with this so you don't end up burning yourself. Now, what I did was I took scissors and I kind of gave my pom-poms a little bit of a haircut. This was so that I could better fit the pom-poms that are going to be like the cat's muzzle in to the head area. Because if you just glue them straight on, they might stick out too much. So you can take a pair of scissors and just trim it back a bit and almost make an area for the glue to puddle. And that also helps with like not, getting glue everywhere or burning yourself, is to go ahead and just like make these little indentations with your scissors. And you'll see too, I have these little glue gun caps for my fingers that I will use to try and help when I'm squishing things together and just making sure I don't end up getting any glue all over my skin. Now I'm going to go ahead and attach the noses. I realized that they were a little bit too big, so I had to reshape them again. And the wire color cutters will come in really handy for this. Because again, pipe cleaners, you could dull your scissors if you cut them with, or if you use the scissors for cutting the pipe cleaners. I prefer wire cutters when I'm working with pipe cleaners. But I made it a little bit smaller, and just a dab of glue will do. So now you'll want to take and cut some pieces of your craft foam to create ears. I just did little triangle bits and then I kind of shaped them, like rounded them on the edges a little bit to be more like a cat ear. So in adding the ears to the kitty, you'll probably want to take your scissors again and give a little bit of a haircut to the pom-pom. And this should also allow you to better set the ears on it. So now that you have your cat bodies ready, you're just going to glue them to the headband. And next you're going to glue the tails. Again, you can use your scissors to trim a little area to make it easier to add the glue and then push in the tail. Now, if you want to do something cute, you can add a little piece of sequin or a button for the cat butthole. I definitely recommend using a pair of tweezers for this since it's so tiny and you just want to make sure you don't end up burning yourself or getting glue everywhere. And then I didn't have this at the beginning, but I ended up deciding to use some ribbon and make collars for the cats. So you could do that, or you could embellish with like paper flowers or little rhinestones. Really, you could kind of give them any kind of like neckwear that you want. And finally, I also decided to add some extra ribbon onto the sides of my headband. And again, you can create other embellishments. You could glue little paper flowers down the sides, gemstones, whatever you want. It's your headband, whatever your style is. That's what you should try.
Okay, so here you have it. This is the cat butt headband. And again, you can use any kind of embellishments that you'd like. This is just the basic form of how to make the cats and their boots. Oh, twinkle, 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 twinkle. Hey, what do you think of Mommy's headband? Huh? What do you think of Mommy's headband? Oh, yay. You did good.